Can you walk backwards? That's forwards. Where's your happy feet? Where's your happy hands? Yeah. Can you show Grammy and Papa how do you say more? More. Can you sign more? Show me your signs. Show me your signs. More. More. You want more? Oh, okay. Can you show me with your hands? Debbie. Debbie, show me more. Show Mama. More. How do you say it? That's please. More. Debbie, where's your milk? Can you say milk? Yeah, where is it? There it is. Where did it go? You got it. Zeb, where is the dinosaur? Zebby, look at me. Zeb, where is he? I don't know. Go find him. Yeah, you found the dinosaur. Zebby. Zeb. Hey. Whoa. Zebby. Hey. Where is the ball? Where is the ball? Zebby, look at Mama. You found it. Good job.